Hi, I'm Duncan, and I'm one of the trainers from Agility in Mind that delivers the Professional Scrum Foundations training course. This course is for everybody, whether you're a developer, a Scrum Master, a product owner, maybe even a stakeholder not in the team directly. This team assumes no prior knowledge and is a very practical and experience-based way of learning about Scrum. This is the agenda for the two-day course. Day one, we'll focus on the fundamentals. We'll look at what Scrum is, the Scrum framework itself, and over the course of the first day, we'll undertake some simulations of Scrum itself. Of all the courses that we run, this is the most practical, and a fair amount of your time will be spent not just learning about Scrum and learning the theory, but actually doing it in practice. Within small breakout groups, you will get together and actually build something that works using a simplified version of the Scrum framework. Day two will be about putting some of that into context. Having experienced the mechanics of Scrum in day one, learned how it fits together and the intent of the framework, we'll talk about how to actually make it work well. Day one will probably have been a little bit chaotic, things will have gone wrong. In day two, we'll see how Scrum can be used to smooth out those rough edges, to deal with the sorts of things that happen in the real world, and actually make the most of Scrum. We'll look at mastering Scrum with techniques such as self-organization and cross-functional teams. We'll look at planning with Scrum in terms of building release plans and communicating to the business. And then we'll close out the course with some final practical tips that will tell you what should I actually do if I'm planning either to start a new Scrum team or maybe to reinvigorate an existing Scrum team. We'll give you a checklist of things to do so that you'll leave the class knowing how to get started. Included in the cost of this class is at least one free attempt at the PSM1 certification. This is a Scrum Master track certification appropriate for anyone who wants to demonstrate either a knowledge of Scrum or who wants to move into the role of the Scrum Master. And the exam is done after the class as an online multiple choice test. And if you get the pass grade of 85%, you will get the PSM1 qualification for life with no renewal fees. So there we have it. That's the Professional Scrum Foundations class from Agility in Mind. I very much look forward to seeing you there.